The backyard. Oh my gosh. I slide, see? Slide on ice. So be careful, guys, see? The stick is like a ½ inch. This is our trampoline. Look, ice. It's getting red. My hands are getting red. This is our fishes. Hi, fishes. It's a power outage, guys, but we have a generator, and the generator is kicking. So this is the one we cover. That's getting froze. So we lost our power for 4 hours from 8 to 12, and this generator was our savior. It powered the whole house for 4 hours. See, this in top here is the ice. In the side of the house, there's still ice. I mean, it's snow. The snow is melting, guys. This is our life savior. This one here, it works really good. Our refrigerator works, our washing machine works, our dryer works, and our heater works. So thanks for this generator.